This video involves the problem on heat capacity of gases. What is the heat capacity of carbon dioxide at 100 degrees Celsius? We are given the constants for carbon dioxide, which is in here. Our formula for the heat capacity of gases is given as Cp equals A plus B times the temperature plus C times the temperature squared plus D temperature cube plus E temperature raised to the fourth power. And we are given 100 degrees Celsius. Before we solve, first we have to convert our 100 degrees Celsius into Kelvin. We just add 273 to that. This gives us 373 Kelvin. For the solution, we just substitute the temperature and a constants. A, which is 27.437 plus B 0.0423150 multiplied by our temperature plus C negative 1.955 minus 10 to the negative fifth multiplied by temperature squared plus D 3.9968 times 10 to the negative 9 multiplied by the temperature cube plus E negative 2.9872 times 10 to the negative 13 multiplied by the temperature raised to the fourth power. And our heat capacity for carbon dioxide at 100 degrees Celsius is 40.701. Our unit is kilojoule per kilomole Kelvin. And this is our final answer.